In this lesson, we're going to learn some terms for cooking utensils, or tapu tapu tau. Knife is a naihi. Fork is a whaoka or pauka. Spoon is a pune. Wooden spoon is a pune rākau. A measuring spoon is a pune ine. A measuring cup is a kapu ine. A chef's knife is a maripi kai tau. A mixing bowl is called an oko whakaranu. A cutting board is a pai tapahi. A frying pan is a hōpane. A pot is a kōhua. The lid is called a taupoki. A peeler is a waru. A can opener is a tapu tapu huaki kene. A whisk is a pune kōrori. Tongs are known as pinohi. A spatula is called a koko prai. And a rolling pin is a pine pirori. Next time you're cooking up a storm in the kauta or kitchen, try out these kupu Māori. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.